This is basically the next part is about the built-in air scrubber. So this is the air scrubber that's being delivered in separate parts, and that needs an extension of the poultry or pig house to place it in. So it's not a complete prefabricated plastic module, but it needs an extension of the house, and it needs to be built up on site. So basically these are bigger air scrubbers used for bigger houses or higher air volumes, as we say, for the poultry. We made a modular setup for this. It means it can be used for the Porcus, the Pollo built in all different versions. And the setup is in principle always the same, as I'm going to show you. So we have the general build. On the right side, you can see a schematic presentation of the air scrubber. Here on the bottom, you can see the air going in under the package. We have the width of the air scrubber, that's this dimension, that connects to the width of the house. And we have sections that are always 2.4 meters wide. So these blocks you can see here, these package blocks, are each 2.4 meters. So you can see 4 blocks here, means 4 sections, also shown here. And we have the depth of the air scrubber in this direction, which extends the house along the length of the house. And the depth is always starting at 2.4 meters depth, and then small steps of 60 centimeters each, up to a maximum of 12.6 meters. We have the technical room and the asset room always placed on the side of the air scrubber in a separate room. So what we have the airspeed going into the air scrubber, very important. That is always a maximum of 3 meters per second. So our air scrubbers, the tables are dimensioned on these maximum airspeeds, but also for the pressure chamber and how it's dimensioned. Stuart will mention that. I always make sure it never exceeds these 3.5 meters. We have the height of the air inlets, which is also a set value from our side. We have the package depth, 60 centimeters. We have the sprinklers on top, and then we have the drip catchers on top of that. So, and this from the bottom up to the drip catcher is the total height of the air scrubber. So what does it look like from above for the normal push systems with all the fans in the gable? We have here the pig or poultry house above. We have all the fans around here at the gable wall. We have a pressure room in front of the air scrubber. We need at least 3 meters of distance between the end of the fence and the entry point of the air scrubber. And then we have the room where the air scrubber is placed. We have the shower section on the bottom. We have the sprinkler room in the middle. And we have the drip catcher on top. And then on the side, we have an asset and technical room for all the technical parts.